food tripping here in London, Ontario. So, dali na. Let's taste there. What kind of food they have them?
Lebanese food like hummus and pita and shawarma.
Okay. Go with us, join with us, and let's do some food tripping here in London, Ontario. Dali na. Inside here in Yasmin, it's a Lebanese cuisine, and my son will be doing all the ordering. So let's. What are we having right now, June?
We're gonna have the classic hummus with a chicken shawarma, and that's gonna be paired with some fresh pita bread that we have in the brick oven, and we're gonna have some. I think we'll have some grilled halloumi cheese, so yeah, just a light lunch.
So, okay.
Cheese also. And this comes with pita bread, right? Yeah. Okay, perfect. That'll be good. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. How is it, Mom?
It's so good. You don't.
Let me know. Super good. I think because you've never had authentic Middle Eastern. You've had a few, but probably not enough to really know the taste of it, no? Shawarma, hummus, grilled halloumi cheese. You're gonna love the arugula with it, because I know you like arugula.
Okay.
Yeah, I ordered. Well thought yun akong pag-order.
So good.
The best she's ever eaten.
Yeah, the best that I have ever eaten, and every bite is so good here in Yasmin, Lebanese cuisine. It's a little bit. The cheese is tough, right?
It's grilled.
What?
It's grilled halloumi cheese.
It's a grilled halloumi cheese.
Yes.
Here.
Get some arugula with it.
And arugula. Oh.
Five out of 5. That's what she's saying without words.
So good. I love it. I love it.